Hey Glam Crew, it is your girl Nikki the Glam Teacher. Today we have a clothing try-on haul from Xpluswear. Plus size, plus confidence. We have some lovely outfits and a swimsuit that we are going to try on. These are going to be your spring and summer looks. So get into it. I have a discount code. You know your girl loves to save coins, look good while staying in budget. I will put here a picture of what I have on, or it'll be linked down in the description box so you can easily shop. Also, I will put a picture of the discount code so you can go shop. This outfit here is a size, I believe everything's a size extra large. It's either extra large or large. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description. So this is a size large. Everything will be linked in the description box where you can easily shop. Let's go ahead. Is this, oh, this is a jumpsuit. This is so cute. Yo, I be shopping and forget what I be ordering. So I'm getting all of my summer and spring stuff ready, because I plan on being out and about. And I love how their clothing fits and it's not gonna stretch and be tight and restricting. So already there is no struggle to get this on. And look how it's snatching on my body. It's snatching on my waist. Yes, I love this. So it does have light shoulder padding in it, so it's gonna give that nice look, give you like a nice straight posture. And the zipper is hidden. Let me go ahead and zip it up. Xpluswear, their zippers are always easy to get up and get on, so you're not going to struggle. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And it has pockets. Yes. So if you are a mommy on the go, this is the perfect outfit for you. If you are heading to church, run errands, this is the outfit. Very professional. You are covered up here, you are covered in the back. Nothing is see-through. Oh my goodness. Look at this bold and beautiful print. Yes, baby. Check it out. Let me pull the camera down so y'all can see all of the detail. Nothing is showing through. Your bottom is covered. And y'all know we gotta check it out. You can move, you can shake, bend over. Nothing is exposed, nothing is ripping. And it is tall girl friendly. Bam. Tall girl friendly. I love this. Beautiful, beautiful outfit. Now, it doesn't have super stretch in it, but order your normal size. I am 225 pounds. I am 5'8", and this is a size large, and it fits just right. So order your normal size. You will be okay. You got the pockets in here. You can even put you a little belt around the waist, and boom. Accessorize this, earrings. This is going to be easy to dress up. Wear this for any type of event. This is, wow. I like the material. It's soft, kind of like a linen type of material. And if you don't like the shoulder pads, you can easily cut them out if you don't like that. But I like it. It makes my posture look nice, tall, and straight. Yeah, this is adorable. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, and let's head over to the next outfit. Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Get in there, doom, doom. Get in there, doom, doom. Hey, where them fans at? Where them fans at? Get in there. Yo! I be trying so hard to be serious, but let me adjust this. It's so hard for me to be serious because I just like to have fun. Oh, we got a little thunderstorm, y'all. Where the fans at? Where the fans at? Get in there. Okay, let me try and be serious, but instantly when I put this swimsuit on, yes, this is a swimsuit. When I put this swimsuit on, I literally just feel festive. I want to dance. I feel good. I feel confident. I feel bold. I'm fully covered, like fully. This can be a mommy swimsuit, vacation. You fully covered. Now, it's a two-piece. So you do got your little panty under here. This is a size extra large. The panty is, it's kind of high waist, but this swimsuit, the top, is covering you up. It's giving flavor. It's giving, mama say, mama kusa, mama say, mama kusa. Stretchy. If you want to show a little razzle, dazzle, you can unzip her. There's light padding in here. Bold, beautiful colors. Check out Xpluswear. I have a discount code for y'all because y'all know I love me some Xpluswear. Right here, I will put the discount code. Go shop, look good, save some coins. Nikki the Glam teacher taught y'all that, right? All right, let's head over to the next outfit. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, watch the full video, and enjoy life. So this is a nice satin feeling white dress. It's very soft and it has like the high-low cut design on it. Just go ahead and step in here. It's very, very smooth. And it has these clear straps on it to help keep it up. Oh, did I put it right? Okay, yeah. I think I did. Okay. So yeah, put it in like that. And you can tighten up these clear straps as well. It's kind of loose right now. But let's get it on and see how it fits. Now ignore my black bra. And then you just zip it. Ah! Look how pretty this is. Beautiful high low design, and it does have double lined coverage, so you have your little slip under here. Nothing is going to peek or show through. Definitely giving prom vibes or wedding guests. I don't know if we are showing up in white at someone's wedding, but I love this. This will be cute to take Mother's Day pictures in. I know Mother's Day is coming up. Spring pictures. This is just really cute. If you just want to get pretty, do your makeup, curl your hair, put on a nice dress, go on a solo date. Oh my goodness. This is solo date approved. I love this. Throwing you some little heels. Yes. And then it has like just a little bit of ruffled line design in here, little crisscross, not too much cleavage, just enough razzle dazzle to still be professional. So this is a very professional gown and it goes to your knees. Very professional. Do we have pockets in this? No, I almost felt like we have pockets in this, y'all. I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. I love white. Feeling godly. Very soft too. Very soft. It's like that satin material. Gives a little bit of stretch. Got plenty of room. Size large. Yep, size large. Get your normal size. Let's try on the next outfit. These straps are a really good feature. I love how this is double lined. So yeah, it was easy to zip up. It was just maybe the angle that I was trying to zip it. And then you can make it off the shoulder if you want, or pull it up higher to be on both shoulders. And then you have your clear straps to hold it up, and these are adjustable. I love how they literally think about every feature in these dresses. Ooh, my. What do we have here? Oh my goodness. Yo. Glam Crew. All right. Mickey is going out on the town. This has a hidden side zipper right here. This one is a size large. Let me double check. Yep, size large. Let's get into it, Glam Crew. Let's get into it. I guess wherever you want your split to be, you can make it. So I want my split to be over here. I hope I'm doing this right by stepping into it. Got a few little pops in the material, but nothing is ripping. We just got some pops. Ooh, y'all, this red. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I love this red. This is very festive. Okay, we got it pulled up. Oh my goodness. Yes, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Let me show y'all the split right here. And then this tail part is long. All right. Now, let's go on ahead and zip it up. Let's tuck the tag in there and zip. Let's see, now get it all the way. Okay, it's all the way zipped. We are all the way zipped up. Let's just adjust it now. Pull out the flowers in the back. I like this. I like this. Ooh, wee. What do you all think about this? Now this material is very soft, very smooth. It has light stretch to it, but again, it is a large and it fits just right. Look at the details. It fits just right. So go ahead and get your normal size. You don't need to size up, you don't need to size down. The sizing with Xpluswear is always on point. So they always have a sizing chart on their website. Just take your measurements and it's always on point. Always on point. They got fast shipping, good affordable prices, and very cute designs. So my bum is right here and it cuts off right at my bum. This is definitely going to draw all the attention on you. So if you have a fun event planned, this is going to be the showstopper. This is the one. Pull your hair up in a cute little bun. Yeah. Ooh. I like this. You don't have to do too much because the dress does it all for you with some nice little heels. This is beautiful. Look at the design. Well made. Well made. A lot of detail was made in this. The stitching is just right. You're not gonna pop out of this, baby. You're not gonna pop out. The red is bright. It's bold. It's gorgeous. It's giving baddie, but a classy baddie. And there's enough room to where she's not coming out. You can dance, have fun, bend, turn. You're not exposed. Nothing's exposed. Let me know in the comments where you would wear this to, because I want to wear this. This will be a date night outfit. Solo date night, girls night, dressing up with bae. Yeah. Adult prom. Do they still do adult prom? Even like a corporate work party. You can do like a corporate work party, because this is appropriate. It's not short. I don't think it's short. I'm scratching my nose, y'all. I got allergies. I got some allergies. But yeah, let me pull this down and show you all again. It's not short at all. It's not short at all. It's, yeah. You can throw on some stockings underneath if you want to. You got your ruffles, and the material is thick. It's thick. So if you are somewhere that may be a little cooler, or if you're wearing this in the evening, you will be okay. Let me know in the comments where you're heading in this, because I love it. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to shop with my discount code that I will put here. Bye.